Hello friends, how are you? I hope all is well and please be safe and stay at home. Let's start our lesson first of science chapter is food. पहले हम ये जानते हैं कि food क्या है, what is food and where it comes from. Food is the dish which we eat day to day life. It gives protein and vitamins to our body and it is very important for our health. In our country, different states have different food variety. हमारे कंट्री में बहुत सारे स्टेट हैं और हर स्टेट का एक वहाँ का प्रसिद्ध फूड है. बहुत सारे लोगों ने खाया भी होगा. जस्ट थिंक व्हाट आर दिस फूड आइटम मेड ऑफ. क्या सोचा आपने कि ये फूड आइटम कैसे बनते हैं? लाइक राइस. वेन वी मेक राइस वी यूज ओनली बॉइल्ड वाटर टू कुक राइस, बट वेन वी कुक करी और एनी अदर डिश वी यूज मैनी इंग्रेडिएंट्स लाइक ऑयल, स्पाइसेस, salt, etc. Choose some of items your list in table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare this by discussing with your friends and elders at home. List them in table 1.2. Some examples are given here. Add some more items to this list. Food items: roti, chapati. Ingredients: atta, water. Dal. Food item is dal. Ingredients: pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, spices. Do you ever think from where this ingredients come from? क्या कभी आपने ये सोचा है कि ये ingredients कहाँ से आते हैं? तो चलिए हम आपको बताते हैं कि ये ingredients कहाँ से आते हैं. It is easy for us to guess some of the source of ingredients like fruit and vegetables. They come from plant and trees. But what about rice and wheat? From where they come? It is gained by the farmer in a large field or a ground. They spread grains of rice or wheat which grow in a row of plants, and later it is in a form of paddy or wheat field. But some of the food items like milk, egg and meat, they come from animals and birds. कुछ फूड आइटम्स हमारे एनिमल्स और बर्ड से भी लिए जाते हैं. सम एग्जाम्पल आर गिविंग देयर टेबल 1.1 में. इडली. वी मेक इडली मिक्स बाई राइस, उड़द दाल, सॉल्ट एंड वाटर एंड इट्स सोर्स इज प्लांट. चिकन करी. चिकन, स्पाइसेस, घी, वाटर एंड इट्स सोर्सेज इज एनिमल एंड प्लांट एनिमल. खीर. Milk, rice, sugar, and its sources is animal and plant. From activity 3, it is clear that plants are source of food like grain, vegetable and fruit. An animal provided us milk, meat and egg. Products like butter, cream, cheese are all milk products which are made from milk. Cow, goat, buffalo are the common animal which give us milk. Cow, goat और buffalo एक common animal है जो हमें milk देते हैं. उसके बाद हम next plants, parts and animal products as food देखते हैं. Plants कैसे parts हैं, plants कैसे parts and animal products कैसे एक food है वो हम बताते हैं. Plants, parts and animal products as food. Do you know we can eat some of the flowers or leaves of the plants like pumpkin flowers? We can eat and mustard leaves are used as a vegetable plant. Are useful in one and many ways, but we should not try to eat unknown plants as some can be poison. कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें हम खा नहीं सकते हैं जब तक उसकी जानकारी हमें ना हो, क्योंकि ये poison का काम कर सकते हैं. टेबल 1.1 में प्लांट पार्ट एज फूड दिया गया. ब्रिंजल करी. इंग्रेडिएंट्स: ब्रिंजल, चिली एज स्पाइस. प्लांट पार्ट विच गिव अस इन द इंग्रेडिएंट: फ्रूट. एक्टिविटी 4 फ्रॉम टेबल 1.3 लेट्स अस सी whose ingredients are obtained from the plants and list it as so in table 1.4. टेबल 1.3 को देखिए और उसके बाद उससे कोशिश करिए कि 1.4 में दिखाइए. Activity 5. Take some dry seed of moong or chana. Put a small quantity of seed in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seed in the vessel. Wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. The following day, do you observe any change in the seed? A small white structure may have grown out of the seed. If so, the seed have sprouted. If not, wash the seed in water. Drain the water and leave them aside from another day. Covered with a wet cloth, the next day, see if the seed have sprouted. After washing this sprouted seed, you can eat them. They can also be boiled. Add some spice and get a tasty snack to eat. Do you know where honey comes from or how it is produced? Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? Bees collect nectar from flower, convert it into honey and store it in their hives. Flowers and their nectar may be able only for a part of the year, so bees store this nectar for their use all throughout the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. मधुमक्खी जो होते हैं वो फ्लावर से कलेक्ट करते हैं उसमें का रस और उसके अपने छत्ते पे स्टोर कर देते हैं और उसे ही हम हनी बुलाते हैं. What do animals eat? अब हम इसके बाद जानते हैं कि ये एनिमल्स क्या खाते हैं. What do animals eat? Animals which eat only plants are called herbivorous, like cow, goats, etc. The animals which eat other animals are called carnivorous, like lion, tiger, etc. But there are some animals who eat both plant and animal. They are called omnivorous, like deer, dog, fox, etc. So friends, now do you know from where food comes from and what do animals eat and how they give us food? If you want me to explain more and more chapters, please like and subscribe our channel and do follow us. Thank you.